Ni hao, welcome to Basic Chinese Lesson 43. So let's review first what we learned from last lesson. So we have 踢足球、打篮球、乒乓球、羽毛球、排球、高尔夫、游泳、网球。So if you guys still have any questions, feel free to watch lesson 42 video again. So we have 女,男,男. The meaning of 女 is woman and 男 is man. So let's read together, guys. 女,男,男. In the next slide, we have 女孩,男孩. So 女孩 is girl and 男孩 is boy. Let's read together, guys. 女孩,男孩. Moving on to the next slide, we have 宝宝 and 可爱 The meaning of 宝宝 is baby and 可爱 is cute. Let's read together, guys. 宝宝 可爱 Another vocab here we have 生气 开心 生气 is angry and 开心 is happy. Let's read together, guys. 生气开心 So that's all for today's lesson. Thanks a lot for watching my video, and don't forget to review the vocabs that we learned today. I will see you guys on our next lesson.